Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation WTO World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization officially commanded on 1st January 1995 under the Marrakech Agreement. WTO had replaced GATT General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. They deal with agriculture, textile and clothing, banking, telecommunication, government purchase, industrial standards and product safety, food standards, regulation, intellectual property and much more. WTO, the beginnings. The World Trade Organization WTO come into being on January 1st, 1995. It extended GATT in two major ways. First, GATT become only one of the major trade agreements that went into the WTO. Second, the was put on a much sounder institutional footing than GATT. Why WTO? To arrange the implementation, administrative and operation of trade agreements, settlements of disputes, trade relations in issues detailed with under the agreements, to provide a framework for implementing of the result arising out of the deadlines with which take place at administration conference level, to manage effectively and efficiently the trade policy review mechanism TRIMS. Functions of WTO: administrating WTO trade agreements, forum for trade negotiations, handling trade disputes, monitoring national trade policies, technical assistance and training for developing countries, corruption with the international organization. Role of WTO: the main goal of WTO to help the training industry to become smooth, fair, free and predictable. It was organized to become the administrator of multilateral trade and business agreements between its member nations. It supports all processing negotiations for latest agreements for trade. WTO also tries to resolve trade disputes between member nations. TRIMS and TRIPS of WTO: Agreement on Trade Related Investment Measures TRIMS. TRIMS refer to certain candidates or restrictions imposed by a government in respect of foreign investment in the country. The agreement on TRIMS provide that no contracting party shall apply any TRIMS which is consistent with WTO articles. Second, agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property rights TRIPS. The agreement on trade related aspects of intellectual property rights TRIPS is an international agreement administered by the World Trade Organization that sets down minimum standards for many forms of intellectual property regulations applied to nations of other WTO members. Specific enforcement, producer remedies, and disputes resolution procedure. The relevance of WTO. The system helps promote peace. The system allows disputes to be handled constructively. A system based on rules rather than power makes life either for all. Free trade cuts the cost of living, it giving consumers more choice and broader range of qualities to choose from. Trade simulations. Trade, trade stimulates economic growth, and that can be good news for employment. The agreements. The WTO rules based its rules are negotiate agreements. Further change on the horizon, the Doha agenda. Some of agreements of WTO. Traffic tariffs more binding bindings and closer to zero. The agricultural agreement, new rules and commitments. Textile back in the mainstreams. Intellectual property protection and enforcement. The agreement covers 5 broad issues. How basis principle of the trading system and other international intellectual property agreements should be applied. How to give adequate protection to intellectual property rights. How to countries should enforce the rights adequately in their owner territories. How to settle dispute on intellectual property between members of the WTO. Thank you.